everyone, it's Zhang from UA2's Dollhouse. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Monster High or Ever After High's broken neck. So here is my shame box of broken dolls. Bad case scenario, the neck cleanly breaks in half. You have 3 freshly broken parts. The neck peg, and a little plastic rod to connect them. A little worst case, the neck is cracked or misses some pieces, but you still have the neck peg. And sometimes this little rod is also missing, we can still save the doll. Worst case, it breaks apart like this and you miss all the parts. In this case, the only option is to make a figure out of it, and you cannot use it as a function doll anymore. Now, let's fix the neck. If it is a fresh broken case, use hair dryer to heat the head up for 1 minute until it's soft and squishy. And use a plier to pull this small rod out. Then put the plier nose into this hole and carefully pull out the neck peg. If the small rod is missing, you can use a toothpick or I use a bamboo Q-tip here to replace the plastic rod and put back in this hole here. Then carefully wiggle and stuff them in the neck hole here. Take a cotton ball, pull out a little bit of cotton and stuff in the gap here. And drop in a few drops of super glue. And this is the important thing, you have to move the neck peg constantly so the glue won't stick to it. If the neck is broken like this, just put cotton in this crack also. And after the glue dries, use a sharp knife to clean up the messy part here. I normally like to cut this part off. It serves no purpose instead of stucking into the head if I want to pull it out again. All that's left is to put the head back. You can see here, movement is reserved. And enjoy your doll as if it's never been broken. Here is a very damaged neck from the beginning of the video being fixed. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and see you next time. Bye!